Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today you're once again joined by my son,
Jordan Spivey,
and his dad, Travis Spivey. So today we're going to be doing a phase change lab, and of course we're working on SPS 5. Specifically, we're looking at SPS 5A, where we'll be comparing and contrasting the atomic molecular motion of solids, liquids, and gases as we add heat energy. The first thing we need to look at is the materials that we need. So first, for safety precautions, we'll need our
safety goggles.
Good, safety goggles, because we don't want anything splashing us and getting into our eye, plus we're working with heated materials. Second, we're going to need a beaker. Third, we'll need ice. Fourth, we'll need some water, which we got water from our faucet. Fifth, we'll need a thermometer. Sixth, we'll need graph paper, which we'll have provided for you. And then seventh, of course, we'll need a hot plate. And call it a hot plate because it gets awfully hot. You don't want to get burnt by that. So in your groups of three, you're going to start off by making your prediction. So you're going to answer your 3 prediction questions, and then you're going to move to the back to the lab area, and then we're going to follow the following lab procedure. So one, we're going to pour about 75 milliliters of water into the beaker. So it doesn't have to be exact. So we got our 75 milliliters of water poured into the beaker. And then next we're going to place 5 ice cubes into the water. Perfect. And then next we're going to go ahead and put our thermometer in our beaker. Now at this step, you're going to let the thermometer sit for about 10 seconds so the temperature can change on the thermometer. And once those 10 seconds are up, you're going to record the temperature in degrees Celsius on procedure step 2 on your lab sheet. So as of now, our temperature looks to be around 15 degrees Celsius. So now we're recording it. Our third step, we're going to place the water on the hot plate. And then we're going to turn the hot plate up to 10. So the sun's turning it up to 10. Now, the next step is probably the easiest step and the most complex step for some people, because some people have a hard time following directions. So let's make this plain and simple. Next step, record the temperature of the water every 30 seconds for 15 more minutes. You're going to record the temperature on your lab sheet, on your data sheet right here. Keep the thermometer in the beaker of water when you are taking the temperature. This is the most important part. I repeat, do not take the thermometer out to take the temperature of the water for a number of reasons. One, you're going to invalidate your results because you're constantly taking the thermometer out, which is going to make your temperature go up and down. 2, you're dealing with glass. So if you're taking that glass in and out, you can possibly break the glass. 3, you prevent causing danger or a dangerous situation for yourself and everyone else involved. 4, it clearly says do not take the thermometer out to read the temperature. So one person looks at the thermometer to get the temperature. Another person from the group, you're going to actually record the temperature right here on your data sheet. No one should be taking the thermometer out of the beaker. And then finally, next, you're going to use graph paper to prepare a line graph comparing time versus temperature. And then you're going to just answer your follow-up questions on your lab sheet. So pretty simple lab, cool lab, but we got to be safe at the same time. So once again, this is my son,
Jordan Spivey,
and this is Dad, Travis Spivey, and we're signing out. Peace.